Sesame Place Untold Trips 10. Big Bird got that barbecue.
Sitting here at Sesame's place, getting ready to eat.
And this is the Big Bird backyard barbecue. Big Bird got the hamburger, the hot dog, some sides. Oh my goodness, we gonna eat real good today and top it off with a Sprite. Yeah, I know you want a bite, yeah.
Gotta have the Sprite, guys.
Man, Big Bird, you put it down.
Just really having a great time, man. Definitely bring your family out here. As you can see, it's a lot to do. And yeah, let's do it. We're too well.
And as always, I'm just showing you what the media won't show you.